Comrades, without any further ado, I'm going to invite all of us to stand on our feet and welcome the leader of the African Economic Emancipation Revolution in the continent, the diaspora, and the whole world. Comrade Commander-in-Chief, President Julius Cele Malema.
Amandla, I'm not here to do anything except to come and say, on Monday, a war has been declared against those who are against progress. On Monday, the war has been declared against those who want to perpetuate the suffering and the struggles of the black majority of South Africa. I'm here to remind you that we've got an appointment with Monday. We have no money, we have no weapon, we don't have machine guns, we only have the bodies of African people to put on the picket lines. Whether they kill or they don't kill, we will be on the streets of South Africa on Monday. We don't care what the security cluster says. We don't care what the judge says. No one can stop a revolution that its time has come. So comrades, today and this weekend is our last weekend to mobilize all our people, door to door, house by house, hostel by hostel, brick by brick. We must make sure that everybody respond to the clarion call on Monday that South Africa will not operate as long as the EFF has not said we must stop. We listen only to the EFF. Fighters, all types of intimidation has been issued by the state. All types of intimidation has been issued by private security guard. Let me tell you, no private security guard, no private citizen has got a right to shoot at another private citizen. If a private citizen shoots at you, you must protect yourself. Respond fire with fire. We will never smile at anyone who wants to shoot at us. We are making it very clear. We will not provoke them. We will not do anything unlawful. It is our right to protest, and no judge and no president, no executive, no minister shall stop this right. No one can take it away. You want to protest in Sandton? Go to Sandton. You want to protest in Union Building? Go to Union Building. You want to protest in Parliament? Go to Parliament. No one can stop you. It doesn't matter how many you are. Take a stand on Friday. 5 of you, 10 of you, occupy a street and say we demand the downfall of Ramaphosa now. The state is shaking. The government is scared. They've got a reason to be scared because we have been patient with them for a very long time. We will not be patient anymore. We are dying already because of illness of society, because of sickness, because of poverty, because of GBV, because of murder that is happening in our townships and everywhere in the rural areas. Government has not done anything. So why are we scared to die when our bodies are empty inside? We are walking empty bodies because there is nothing that tomorrow is holding for us. The rich becomes more richer. The poor becomes more poorer. When the DA says that there won't be a protest in Cape Town, not in our area, they mean not in a white people's area. Cape Town is not for white people. there will be a protest in Cape Town, whether they like it or not. There will be a protest in Phoenix. If they want to kill the same way they killed in July, they must come and try us now. We will show them what we are made of. Nobody is going to say through a barrel of a gun, he can threaten us and threaten our freedom. We are not provoking anyone. We are simply raising our constitutional rights. We don't want Ramaphosa. He's corrupt. He's a criminal president. He's a money launderer. He has violated his oath of office. We don't want Ramaphosa because he has caused high unemployment in South Africa. We don't want Ramaphosa because of the high levels of GBV in South Africa. We don't want Ramaphosa because most of our streets have been taken over by the drug lords and the criminals that are in bed with the generals of the police, and we must reclaim our streets. Comrades, the economy of South Africa has collapsed, not because of Monday. Already as we speak now, the economy of this country has been grey-listed. It is not going to be grey-listed on Monday. The small businesses are closing all over at Ridgeville, so where to everywhere because of load shedding. Load shedding is not going to start on Monday. We are not responsible for the mess that is happening in this country. We want to put the mess to an end on Monday when we protest. We were told Zuma has captured the state, but today the NPA, with all evidence in their hands, they can't prosecute Ramaphosa. The man was found with cash, $580,000, not allowed in South Africa, was not declared. No one has disputed those facts. Yet there is no arrest in South Africa because the president is a law unto himself. Everybody is scared of the president in South Africa. Those who are not scared of the president will show up on Monday and demand accountability from Ramaphosa. There is no untouchable individual in this country. No one is above the law in South Africa. Not even judges are above the Constitution. They are a subject of the Constitution of the Republic of South Africa. Comrades, there is no water. We are now dealing with electricity load shedding. Water shedding is coming because the infrastructure has collapsed. And very soon they will be unable to give us the most basic thing for human survival, water. Comrades, all of you here fighters have done everything humanly possible. That's why the state is shaking. Patco said the buses won't move on Monday. The bosses called them and said, what are you saying? The buses must move. We thank the Minister of Transport because we'll transport ourselves in the Patco buses on Monday that are provided to us by the state. They are giving us transport. We thank them, the state, for transport. Minister of Transport understands that the president must be removed and people will need the transport to go and remove the president on Monday. So comrades, the buses of Patco are available. Use them effectively on Monday as provided by the state. We are not going to loot. We have no appointment with eating only on that day. We don't want to loot anyone's shop, and we have advised all of them that we are protesting on Monday. Whether you open or you don't open, It's your own problem. Do not blame the EFF. If anything happens on Monday, you remain advised. Bheki Cele says there will be choppers flying all over South Africa. There is no chopper that can stop us on Monday. We are not scared of choppers. The only thing that chopper will remove is that tops of Bheki Cele on his head. It will not remove us on the streets. Comrades, if you know how the day works, the 20th of March starts immediately at 12 a.m. It's not starting at 10 a.m. It's not starting at 12 p.m. It starts at 12 a.m. On the 20th, we start 12 a.m. until 12 a.m. in the evening, as long as a calendar says. When you look at the calendar, it says it's the 20th. We are on. When you are tired, go home and eat and come back. You must never get tired. You must never surrender. Whatever we are doing, we started in the morning, we will end it in the morning. As early on the 20th, Batandi, they will never give us permission. Comrades, we require nobody's permission. The 1976 died for this protest to be protected in the Constitution of South Africa. People went to jail, people went into exile, people went underground. Sharpeville, people died for me and you to protest without white supervision. Why do they think that they can tell us whether we can protest or not? We require nobody's permission. And no protest is big or small. Whatever corner you have, as long as it's strategic, stand right there and raise your feet to show them that you are fighting for the downfall of Ramaphosa. If you know graffiti, if you can paint on a white sheet, go there and write whatever you can write. Go and display it. Here, Chairperson of Joburg, Tshwane, Ikuruleni, all the main roads, M1, M2, all of those roads, when they wake up, every bridge must be having a white banner that says Ramaphosa must go, because those are our bridges. We must go put banners everywhere. Comrades, let me tell you, I saw some of you displaying the tires and taking pictures with the tires because you want to act revolutionary. It's not true that some of you are acting revolutionary. You are working with the enemy. That's why you are exposing us even before the actual day. Hey, why are you exposing tools of trade? Why are you exposing essential issues? Those things are very important issues that you don't share with anyone. That thing that you are showing on the WhatsApp and social media, it's a business plan. You can't share your business plan with other people. Do not show such things. We don't want to know what you are going to do. Don't talk about it on the phones. They are listening to our phones. Don't write about it on SMSs and WhatsApp. Don't talk on the social media. Person to person attack. They will never know where we are. They will never see us coming. We defeated a well-oiled machine of apartheid. We cannot be defeated by clowns and drunkards who are in government, who know nothing about governing.